Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you get 93 and 99 OVR Team of the Season player. How to purchase Team of the Season daily bundle in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the store button. And this one, the feature, the recommended store, TOTS daily bundle. Let's tap the spec, guarantee reward, contain 5 base player, 200,000 of coin, and also 1 TOTS player. Untradeable, you cannot sell this player, with 93 plus OVR. If you're lucky, you can get one of these possible rewards. Let's tap 3000 of gem. You need 3000 of gem to buy this daily bundle. Let's see, this is the coin, reveal all. Tap continue and tap to open. Let's see, we got the team of the season player from France, left midfielder, play for Al Ahly in Saudi. We got Saint Maximin, former Newcastle player here. So not bad. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.